This is CAIE A-Level Maths, Summer 2020, Paper 1, Variant 1, question number 8. In this question, it is given that the diagram ABC, which is a semicircle with diameter AC, center O, and radius 6 cm. The length of the arc AB is 15 cm, and point X lies on AC and BX, which is perpendicular to AX. We need to find the perimeter of the shaded region BXC. So we need to find the perimeter of this shaded region. Since we know that the radius is equal to 6 cm, so the radius OB must also be 6 cm and the radius OC must also be 6 cm. So this is 6 cm and this must also be 6 cm. We know that the radiuses are 6 cm and the arc length is 15 cm. We can use this information to find our angle theta by using the formula S equals to R theta, where S equals to 15 and radius is equals to 6. We need to find theta, and this will give us theta equals to 2.5. We know that theta equals to 2.5, so we can use that to find the angle alpha, which will be alpha equals to pi minus theta, which is simply 2.5, and this will give us alpha equals to 0.64. Now if we look at the triangle OBX carefully, we know that we have the hypotenuse 6 and we know the angle alpha. We can use this to find the length OX and BX. In order to find BX, we can use trigonometry, and we'll have sine alpha, which is 0.64, will be equals to bx upon 6, and this will give us bx equals to 3.59. In order to find OX, we'll have cos 0.64, which will be equals to OX upon 6, and this will give us OX equals to 4.81. Now that we know OX equals to 4.81 and OC is 6 cm, we can simply subtract these together in order to find OC and CX, and CX will be equals to 6 minus 4.81, which will give us CX equals to 1.19. Now that we have CX and we also have VX, we can find the arc length BC by using the radius 6 cm and the angle alpha. So our arc length will be equals to S equals to R theta, where we need to find the arc length. We know that radius is 6 and our theta, which is alpha, will be equal to 0.64, and this will give us 3.85. Now that we have all of our final lengths, we can add them all together to get a perimeter. The perimeter will be equal to the arc length 3.85, the length of CX, which is 1.19, and the final length, which is BX, which is equals to 3.59. This will give us the final answer. This will give us the final answer 8.63 centimeter.